Every great journey starts with a single step. And in this digital age, this step is completely online. You can go global at scale. And with this plug and play ready-made business opportunity today, you will learn how to start with kidswear business, and you can make a highly successful, highly profitable business in the lowest possible expense. Just get started with this ready-made plug and play business opportunity. I'm going to give you this step-by-step process. Just follow this step and become successful. Before I dive into, I was just researching about Kidswear funding, and recently I see just 3 days back, Kids Bay onboards Ritesh Malik, premium Kidswear brand, 1.5 million. Include secures this much amount. 1.5 million is a good amount, almost like 12.5 crores. There's another company which is eyeing 120 crores revenue in 3 years, selling kidswear to modern women, house startups. So you can see one thing very common. In business, now the business is not the same how it used to be before. Now people are mainly starting their own e-commerce stores like this, and they call it as D2C brands, because this store is one element of it. The another element is making the sales, making the customers to continue to buy from you with something which is unique. And whatever you are seeing right now, this is all different websites which are related to kids, and kidswear is one of the prominent market in this. So even if you see very small products like this have got very big demand. We'll explore everything in detail right now in marketplaces like Amazon, in Etsy, in Lazada, Singapore, or different countries, how much sales we can expect for these things. But before I dive into that, I want to tell you that I'm going to give you the complete ecosystem in this. This is basically a plug and play e-commerce startup opportunity where you will learn how to do B2B business, exports of infant and toddler clothing to the global market. I'll give you the contacts of supplier. I'll give you the entire end-to-end e-commerce marketplace management system, plus digital marketing training, lead generation strategies, and different type of garments you can see which are related to kids. The best part is these are very small in size. That means the quantity of fabric required to make them is less, but the profitability is more because it really is in trend and the babies keep growing, and that's how they need to keep buying regularly. So the retention of these clothes are very high. So every product that you are seeing, we can start selling them. Profitability is good. People are making like crores of rupees every single month, but I'm saying you already saw in the news, right? Companies are raising funds which are just startups. So you can just get started with the ready-made plug and play e-commerce store builder with us and simply start your business with naming the store, adding the products, and start selling. This is as simple as that. From my side, I will also provide you training where how to build this e-commerce store, how to manage day-to-day operations, how to properly run paid ads, how to do marketing in a way that you can connect with influencers, do direct marketing, and also make your e-commerce business future ready by raising funding and investment in future. So everything included in a single program. I'll be giving you a plug and play ecosystem. This is the program. I call it as the all-in-one program. This is from Indian Institute of E-commerce, and I have myself been running this program since 2015, and more than 6,000 plus entrepreneurs have already got trained on this. So whatever you are seeing right now is all properly created content which are live plus also recorded. So you will be learning about digital marketing, you'll be learning about search engine optimization, the advanced level of strategies that really will generate sales on a day-to-day basis. So even if you have a sales target, you will be able to achieve that. So I'll be giving you the products that you can sell. You can do drop shipping, you can do wholesaling, you can do whatever you want in that, because the training itself will give you the strategies, how to find these suppliers and how to connect with those suppliers, how to onboard them. This is the most important part. You're getting the certification which is government approved, and not only one, you're getting 17 more certificates. So altogether, you're getting the bundle of all these certifications along with the live practical training on the e-commerce store itself. So you will be able to learn how to source products, how to fulfill them, how to manage day-to-day operations, how to do paid advertisements, and how to also connect with influencers. And the skills that you'll be learning will be something that in MBA also people don't learn in general colleges. Here at IIC, you'll be able to master the art of e-commerce business. So training methodology, if you see, we give you video-based training, instructor-led training, and also practical training. The entire training content is live and practical with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support. We have many experts and mentors there with IIC. I want you to explore this opportunity, and we have been in news. So everything that I'm showing you, along with the certification, you'll also get access of this recorded contents plus study materials like ebooks and white papers, case studies, and also software tools that you can utilize in your e-commerce business. We are fully affiliated institute by AICTE and various government bodies as well as Amazon, Alibaba, and other brands. These are some of our experts and mentors profile. When I started this institute, I was in an interest to get a lot of people who can become entrepreneurs together and we can do exports. And for that reason, I'm very confident that now we have made it as a well-oiled machinery, because my own experience comes with Alibaba Group in China. I worked with them as a global partner for their EGTP program. I was a director for that program, and same way for Amazon also I was ATS program director. See, I'm not here to tell you that I'm this, that. The whole idea is to tell you that you are learning from somebody who has already done it in the past. And if you learn from them, you will get the right guidance and mentorship. The objective is that you should be learning from someone who has already done it. So if you see this My Own E-commerce store, this is the proven system, Shripur.com. This is my brand which I have been running. And at Shripur, I've been selling many products which are mostly handcrafted Indian products which I want to export to the global market. I'm already doing it, but I want to continue to do it because I'm so much passionate for this. I have been doing sales and I'm focusing on B2B wholesale, and this is what my mastery is, because I even did my master's in international trade, and that's export import. So with all my experience of my life, whatever I have done in my business side of it, so I can teach you that exact strategies so that you can also build your successful e-commerce store. And not only that, I'll give you your own e-commerce store with your own name, brand name, and all the software tools will be included in this. So this is going to be your own www.yourswebsitename.com kind of website. Okay. So you can have your own domain, you can add your own staff members, you can add payment gateway directly, so companies or end users can directly pay you, your customers can pay you directly. It's not some kind of marketplace, it's your own 100% owned e-commerce store that you'll be getting from me. So all that you are seeing from me is basically the plug and play ready-made e-commerce startup opportunity, which you can start even if you're a working professional. And this is the best niche to start. Now I'll tell you how it is best niche. If you see here, baby dresses, and this is Amazon.com, and you can see lot of these products are already listed and there are so many sales. If you see this sale of products like diapers, 20,000 people paid about $55. Just have a calculation and see how much revenue they're generating. It's about 10,000 sales at $55, 4,000 sales, $65. That means it's a really profitable venture. If somebody is getting into this, just make a simple calculation. 10,000 sales at $33, how much it is? $53 is the price and 10,000 sale. Simple calculation, 5.3 lakh is the total. That means more than $500,000, right? That means someone is making about 4.5 crores in this. In a month itself, somebody is able to do this much sales. And it's not like one product sold. Every other listing in e-commerce marketplace is getting sold. So one thing is clear, getting into a branding of your own, like your own e-commerce store, will be profitable. Plus, you can also start listing products in marketplaces such as Etsy.com and Lazada. You can see everywhere sales are there. Sales are everywhere there. People are continuously buying. It's not about just those one product. You can see the children's hat. These are also getting sold, 47 sold, 31 sold. So that means you just have to start listing these kind of products, and whatever the product I'm talking about, I'll be helping you with how to find the suppliers. I have a proper structured program for that, to find suppliers, also to find buyers. Now, let's understand that how you can get started with a business like this. The first thing first, I told about the mentorship, e-commerce store builder, and the last thing is the database of potential buyers. Buying houses are the biggest market for you, for kids wear, infant wear, or the many companies who are manufacturing here. They're manufacturing, but they do not know how to do the sales online or how to do exports. Since I was working in Alibaba, what I learned there, it was just an e-commerce portal. And through that portal, they had just listed all the products. And from China, they were able to export to the global market. They created many dropshippers. They created many companies who can buy from these e-commerce marketplaces, simply like Alibaba. And they were able to do the sales to the international market. So what I'm suggesting is your own e-commerce store with the mentorship and the buying house database. Start working on connecting with the suppliers and start making sales. It's a very easy online digital marketing process. You just have to connect with them, send emails and WhatsApp, and you'll be able to generate B2B business. For B2C business, you can always do drop shipping, and you can list those products into your e-commerce marketplace. Once the buyer is buying from you, that time the seller will be supplying that to the end user. Of course, it will be under your name, under your brand and everything, so that you can directly have one-on-one discussion with the supplier and do it. So I'll be guiding you you on how to exactly set up this business model, and you will also keep learning from me. And as I told you, this is coming with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support for the course content. So don't worry about the training quality, training content. You will get complete support from us, and we also do live practical training, so you'll have access of that also. So join us in this e-commerce revolution today to transform your life completely. Now let me show you exactly how much will be the cost of setting up this plug and play ready-made e-commerce startup, because of course there will be some cost of mentorship, there will be some cost of setting up the store, but it will not be like 50-60 lakh rupees. It may be less than that, much less than that. It is just cost to cost which I'm thinking, because I understand that you're currently already having engagement in some kind of business or job, or some commitments will be there, and you want to start a business so that you can become commitment free, can get that financial freedom that you wanted. And for that reason, I just thought, like, why not have a small price, like, which is just cost to cost for me, like the cost of mentors, because for one entire year we have to give you mentorship. There will be cost of database, there will be cost of the e-commerce store builder, which is the biggest cost for us, and then the major cost will come is giving the ongoing practical live training and support. So this is most crucial, and this will give you the skills that will completely give you that freedom and confidence to do e-commerce business successfully, because digital marketing support that I'm giving you, that itself costs lakhs of rupees. The entire support that I'm giving you here, we are not charging anything, trust me. And then if you start a business today by yourself also without the right guidance and mentorship, it is I'm not saying that you'll fail, but the chances are high, because you actually need someone to direct you. And this is why I want to have business partners who are working along with me, so we can work together. We can do exports, we can do some big deals in the international market. I'll connect you to the entire ecosystem. Follow that. You can start part-time, 2-3 hours a week. And once it's making more profit, then how much you're getting salary, then get full-time into this. Yes, if you're interested, let's work on this.